Okay friends, so we made our way underneath the back side of the vehicle and we're following the exhaust along, and we can see that there's a rubber mount for the exhaust that's no good. There's going to be multiple of these going up the exhaust system, so of course you'd want to check them all and replace as needed. This one's the one that we're going to be replacing. So what I like to do is take a pick, come right in between the metal part of the bracket and the rubber, and just use a little bit of penetrant and just work it around. That's going to help it slide off much easier. I'll do the same to the other one as well. Awesome. Now we should be able to take some nice long pliers, and I'm going to try to grab onto the rubber here and the metal on the other side and try to slide the rubber off. At this point, you can continue on. Just kind of bonk this off of there. So now we'll just take our new one, take a look. As you can tell, they're the same. This is great. Before I go ahead and install this onto the vehicle, I like to use a little bit of grease, and I'll just kind of go along the metal parts right there. Let's take the unit, slide it on whichever one you want to first. Just start it on there. Do the same to the other one. And then go ahead and force it on. Perfect. Give it a nice wiggle. That feels great. Double check the rest and then take it for a road test.